All right, man. First pack over in the chat. Y'all know how this goes. Everybody has a sub up. Come on, man. First pack of the year, dog. Let's test it out. England Women's Super League. Man United. Gillen. Okay. All right, chat. Yo, chat. We not starting off right. Relax, yo. We not starting off so good, but it's okay though. It's okay though, chat. Now, yo, chat. It's okay though. Yo, chat. That's the first pack of the year, man. That's the first pack of the year, y'all. All right, second pack of the year. Let's go. Striker. Spain. La Liga. Who the? Center. Gary Moreno. Bro. What is this, bro? FIFA 25. Come on, bro. Y'all gotta turn me up, bro. Y'all gotta, come on, man. Y'all gotta turn me up, bro. Y'all gotta, come on. This is like, this is the first of the year. CDU. Australia. No, Sandy. Van Egmond. Who the fuck? Woo! Wait, is that slips? Chat, is that slips? No way we got slips in FIFA 25. Let's hope for the best. Turn me up. Right wing, France. Roshan Saudi League. Ryan Emirates. The baby? When did he go to Al Hilal? Since when I thought he was at Bayern Munich. Centerman, Argentina. Bundesliga. Come on, bro. Please, somebody good. We getting packed, bro. Who the Pacquiao, dog? We had opened up 5 packs today on the brand new FIFA, and it ain't looking good, bro. Goalkeeper. What the? Oh my God. Zamberg. My God, bro. See, chat, you know when it's bad when I'm getting hamburgers, bro. CB, Mexico. Bro. Striker. Australia. How do I keep getting? Can I? Man, bro. Yo, come on, man. So that's a girl, bro. It looks like that's a girl, bro. Flamingo. This is some. Dude! Come on, bruh. FIFA, what's up? Google? Who the fuck? Google? They got a Google football club? Minger Lumi skin. Oh! Thought it was Mbappe, chat. It was laser beam though, y'all. I thought it was Mbappe, chat. Oh my God, I thought that was Mbappe, chat. Oh, it was gonna be a party, y'all. It was gonna be a party. I thought that was Mbappe. I thought that was a Bobby, chat. It was about to be a 40. Alex Burke. Yo, bro. Chat, you know the pack is ass, y'all. When when it says like burger or something. Bro, am I tripping? Or we haven't got one walkout, y'all? We haven't got one walkout yet. One walkout yet, y'all. One walkout striker. Brazil. Oh, Premier League. Richard. Bro, I need to get a walkout, bro. I'm not gonna lie, bro. All I want is one walkout, bro. Right back. England. That's Alexander Arnold, bro. Alexander Arnold. Oh my God, bro. Yo, chat, isn't a walkout at 85 overall, y'all? 85 overall higher? This is some bullshit, bro. Ain't nobody, like, what is y'all singing right now? Goalkeeper. Man, bro. L's in the chat. L's in the chat. L's in the chat. Why do I have bad luck, bro? Speed, if you see this, you are the best. Thank you. My dog died. RIP, bro. Bro, I haven't got. GG's, bro. GG's, chat, bro. Oh my gosh, y'all. Come on, this is the new FIFA. A new era. Who the? Morita. Damn, why'd he just pop up like that? Damn, he just popped up right in my face. The game just froze on me. The game just froze on me, y'all. The game just froze on me. The game just froze on me. What is this shit? Left mid, Japan, Premier League. Who is it? Brighton. It's Minato. Oh. Racist. Get somebody named Racist. Striker. Nigeria. Who the fuck? Nigeria. Is that KSI? That's KS. I'm pulling KSI and shit, bro. Nah, this game gotta stop, bro. This game gotta stop. This game has to stop, bro. This game has to stop. This game has to stop, man. This is some shit, bro. Molina. Moi, man. Moi, man. Moi. Oh, Virgil. Snake? What? Virgil Van Dijk turned white? What are these, bro? I haven't. Yo, bro, like, is this a new game or something, bro? Like. All right, so I'm out, bro. I'm out. Right back, Premier League, France. Who was that? Chelsea? Shit, bro, no, this game ass. Yo, chat, I'm about to play a game, y'all. I'm about to play a game, y'all. Sing the national anthem of USA. Oh, say, can you see by the dawn and... Is that me? All right, chat, I'm about to just play a game, y'all. Let's just play the game, y'all. I'm about to just play a game, y'all. I'm about to just play a game, y'all. There's no point. I'm gonna just get packs, y'all. I'm gonna just get shit packs. Striker. Sports, like, what are these? Liberty. All right, fuck it, y'all. Let's play a game, y'all. Let's play, yo, bro. Let's play a game. All right, last pack, y'all. Last pack, bro. All right, y'all, last pack. Oops. All right, y'all, last pack. Bismillah. And I'll pull a Cole Palmer, y'all. Yeah, we out, bro. Imagine being black. Ha. Yeah, we out. Nah, I ain't gonna lie. Hell nah, chat. We can't, nah. We can't go out with like that type of pack, y'all. Nah. All right, y'all. One last pack. Bismillah. Left mid. France. McDonald's. Gavin, Golovin. All right, that's it. We out. All right, we out.